never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Yeah, for the Girl Scouts, I think. Wait, no, that's my cutie.
Oh, there was a secret time? No, there was one. It's just sitting down. Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Right now, we're at the Heritage Farmstead Museum in Plano, Texas, and Dr. Ross, it's her birthday week, and so she wanted to come here because she loves animals and she's a humanitarian.
Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby.
And the museum is impeccable. It's amazing. We just came out of the house that they have here too, and we're gonna put some videos in right here of the house. It is amazing. You guys should really come down and see it because, like IK was saying, it's from the 1890s. It's in incredible shape for how long it's been up to.
That's right, but we're going to get into our hot topics for today.
Right.
Starting it off with the sad, very, very sad death of the cinematographer that Alec Baldwin shot on a set. Now, Dr. Ross and I, we want to say our hearts and condolences go out to the family of the director and the cinematographer that got shot.
And his friends.
Yes, we want to send our hearts and prayers out. And Alec Baldwin messed up on this one. He really did. We're going to get into our next hot topic for today with Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker. So, Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker, they shared a photo of their new Halloween outfits, and I must say, they're looking pretty nice, Dr. Ross.
They look identical to the characters that they wanted to play as, and you know, Travis Barker really fits that look with he has the hair that's like frazzled out. We'll put the picture right here. They did an A1 job on this.
That's right, Dr. Ross. You know, this is their best thing they've had so far. Machine Gun Kelly needs to take some notes. Hopefully he doesn't go as a T-Rex, inflatable T-Rex or something this year.
Speaking of Machine Gun Kelly though, sources are saying that Machine Gun Kelly and Megan Fox are trying to be the hottest new couple, but it's coming off as extremely cringeworthy, which I completely agree with many articles that are saying it. Because not only are they making it like too much, they're making it where it's just to a point where I don't want to see it anymore.
You know what, Dr. Ross? It's getting too old, it's getting fake, and the way they're doing it is like J-Lo and Ben Affleck.
True.
All I see here are two suckers that got lucky.
That's true. And they're trying way too hard.
That's right. But you know what, we're going to get into our final hot topic for today with Dune. So Dr. Ross and I watched Dune. I think it was really good, but for people who don't like sci-fi, this may not be the film for you. But for me, it was very well executed. They had it where you could see the future, and they're trying to set it up where a sequel is happening for the end of the film.
On the first day of box office, they had already made $39.1 million in the box office opening. I think what they did is they sold the trailers. Whoever the promotioner is, whoever the promoter is, he did a really good job of selling the trailers, and then when you watch the movie, it's two completely different things. So let's get to our next hot topic. So Gwyneth Paltrow reacts to Glenn Close saying that her Oscar win did not make any sense.
Why you boring me? I'm right.
So Dr. Ross, with Glenn Close, I know that Gwyneth Paltrow is she's not a very good actress, she just has a pretty face, but she got in with Weinstein and she's playing the game, she's hustling it, Dr. Ross. For me, this is a thumbs down, but Gwyneth Paltrow is doing her thing, so if she's getting an award for hustling, she's getting an award.
That's right. And, I'm going to agree with IK. She's not that great of an actress, but apparently she was saying on the Andy Callahan show that she doesn't get how other actors can compare performances like that when their peers are supposed to be cheering you on and, congratulating you on your win, which I kind of understand, but at the same time, Glenn Close is just speaking her mind, but we really understand Glenn Close's point of view. That's just how the industry is. Gwyneth Paltrow should know that other actors are always going to compare things, and Glenn Close is a phenomenal actor, so obviously she's going to compare different actors, and maybe she's doing it to help you, like it's constructive criticism. Maybe she's saying your next role you can really put your A game to.
But you know what? Gwyneth Paltrow already has money, so it's her decision now.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic for today.
And our final hot topic.
Now guys, we're going to get into our final hot topic for today with Kendall Jenner. So Kendall Jenner was wearing a scandalous cow thong print bikini, and I'm going to say this is a thumbs up right here, Dr. Ross.
That's right. Another thing is, speaking of Kendall Jenner, people are surprised that this is the first time that she's ever kissed Devin Booker, her boyfriend, in public, because all these NBA players she's been seen cheating on them with multiple people. Like the last boyfriend she had, she cheated on him with Devin Booker, and then Devin Booker, she's been linked to other NBA players. So people are surprised that she kissed him in public for the first time. So does this
Dr.
mean
Ross,
they're official now?
she took what Coco was doing, dating and marrying some of the NBA players, and she took it on a whole another level, dating the whole team.
Damn!
That's right. These were all of our hot topics for today, but we'll see you guys in the next episode. And for Kylie Jenner, that's you. Without.